Okay, so in this part we are going to discuss about the different views, which is called as a perspective view and orthographic view. Fine. Now there are different kind of views like front view, right view, side view, and so many other views are there, which is going to help you arrange your objects easily. So if you are always working in this 3D view, it becomes difficult to sometimes arrange the objects, because see, your screen is flat and we are just representing it in a 3D manner. In real life, you are in a 3D area, you know that if I'm placing something here and I'm moving my hand ahead, it becomes easier. Here this is just a representation, so sometimes it could be difficult, especially when you want to align objects. Like if for example, let me just do this for you. If I just wanted to align these two cubes together like this, fine, it's fairly difficult or not so easy to align the objects. Fine, from that particular angle it looked like that they had aligned properly, but you can see it does not, it's not like that. Fine, so to align objects properly, we need to know the different kind of views and the concept of perspective and 3D view. So first of all, what is perspective view? Perspective view is what you are seeing right now, or how we see things in real life. Fine. In real life, like if you notice, these lines are parallel, right? On the grid, these lines are parallel. But when we are looking towards the horizon or this side, these lines are tapering. It looks like they are getting together. This is because of a perspective view, and this is done specifically so that things look natural. Like for example, for your understanding, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scale this particular cube quite long. Now if we are looking at this cube right now, or now it is a cuboid, fine, you can notice that this area looks bigger than the area on this side, but in reality we know that it is not like this. So this gives us a natural feel. Now we also have another view which is called as a orthographic view. If you are into engineering and all, you will know that the orthographic view is primarily to understand the measurements and other things, and when you switch to orthographic view, it will not look very natural to you. So like if so to switch to orthographic view, you have to click this, or you can use the shortcut key number 5 from your numeric keypad. Fine, that's a toggle key. So this is a normal perspective view. You will notice the view being shown over here, user's perspective over here. Fine, and if I click on this, it changes to user's orthographic. Now this looks weird, but all these lines now are of same size. You will have to take a scale and measure that if you feel it does not looks exactly like that, but you have to believe me that they are shown in the same size. This is mostly to understand that the measurements are correct. It will look weird to us because this is not our natural view, but this is useful for setting the objects properly. Fine.